Win the battle against green and black stains around your home with Wet and Forget Xtreme Reach Hose It. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no bleach. Just wet it and forget it. The bottle connects to your garden hose and allows you to choose from 2 spray settings. The jet tip reaches up to 30 feet to easily treat siding and roofs without the use of a ladder. Use the fan tip for quick coverage of patios and driveways. Wet and Forget is bleach-free, so there's no worry about what you're cleaning, no second-step rinsing, and no guesswork. Wet and Forget is safe on most outdoor surfaces like siding, roofs, patios, brick, painted surfaces, decks, metal, and more. Wet and Forget works overtime with the wind and rain. Generally, green stains clean up in about a week or 2. Black stains and moss come clean in a few months. If you need extra coverage, simply swap your nozzle to the refill bottle and easily finish the job. No need for any funnels or mixing. If there's landscaping nearby, simply rinse the plants with water before and after application. Apply Wet and Forget on a cool, dry day and when the surface is dry. Once clean, typically a once-a-year application helps keep your surfaces looking great. The best part is that it's so easy. You simply wet the surface and forget it. Win the battle against ugly stains on your home with Wet and Forget Xtreme Reach Hose It.